Hello, and for a minute there you probably thought we may have been in Dubai, but no, we are at Makkasan, I think it's pronounced it, station in Bangkok, which is sort of a transport hub that I don't think it's meant to be, but over the years it's sort of evolved into one. Let me explain. So here we have the old railway that runs through the suburbs, a few trains a day, many commuters and locals. Chugs along, keeps on this end track. This track here is near the end, so it's not too busy. We've got a yard here, a station here. It's sort of more modern commuter trains. We'll show you where that goes in a minute. And then right next to us, of course, we've got a road, could have been here years, main road. And above us, we've got a 6-lane crossover that brings the traffic over the railway and the tracks and houses. I think there might be a little lake river there, over there. And then above us, we've got the BTS SkyTrain, you know, which is obviously modern, built in the last 20 years, and modern. So here we've got old railway, new railway, old roads, new roads, a new railway. And of course we've got across the road here is where the people living in the railway, and behind these pillars we've got homeless people living on mattresses. We've got the poverty here as well as the mega rich. So we are in the middle of Bangkok. And you could be in Dubai, you could be in Bangkok, you could be in India. Depends what angle you're looking at this station from. There's a bloke there behind that thing. I think he's doing something he shouldn't be doing, but we'll leave him to it. So unfortunately there is poverty here as well. So you've got the mega rich living there, sort of the working class here, and the poverty here. It's the contrast being so close to each other. Here we are, Makkasan Station. You know, and again, the old train running there, the new trains running here, and the sky trains above. Looks like something's coming. Let's have a look. Someone is waiting for a train. Even the green flags. We're not going to get in it because I don't know where it goes or how we get back. It's a sort of first-class train. This is the platform. The station master with red flag up. You wouldn't get that in England from member of staff. Very professional. Very. And off it goes. Anyway, that's my little video about transport this crossover here at Makkasan Station. So it's a lovely little station. So anyway, lots of seats. I guess people wait for train. That's the station master. Going to say hello to him. We go round. ATM store. These are train times, if you understand them. Bangkok to Canterbury for 2.5 hours. This one here, Bangkok, wherever that is, an hour and 20 minutes. There are trains that they're not that frequent, but look at this, looked after so well. Digital boards up there now. It's where your buses go from. Lovely ticket office. Proper old school ticket office. Here comes the Makkasan train. It brings you back out to, as I say, you've got the old railway there, the new railway here, the BTS SkyTrain there, the motorways here, the old road here. An interchange in its own way, probably never planned, but it seems to have turned out that way, and it works. Anyway, that's a little short video on Makkasan. I think it's Makkasan Station, Makkasan. Until next time. If you want to see what it's like on the old railway line, check out one of my previous videos where we've just walked a few miles down this line, and you can see all about it. Anyway, join us next time.